Kawasaki Ninja H2R isn't just a motorcycle, it's a machine built for dominance. Dressed in aerodynamic carbon fiber and aerospace-grade tech, the H2R is the world's most powerful production bike. It's not street legal for a reason. 310 horsepower with ram air, a supercharged inline-4 engine, an acceleration that feels like a fighter jet launch. The moment you twist the throttle, you're not riding, you're warping through space. Every angle of the H2R screams aggression. The matte black carbon body winglets forged from Kawasaki's aerospace division, and sharp lines sculpted for speed give it an unmistakable silhouette. When the sunlight hits its metallic sheen, combined with the gunmetal accents, it reflects pure mechanical art. From a distance, it's intimidating. Up close, it's surgical and detailed, like a weapon engineered for the track. Step into the cockpit, and you feel like a pilot more than a rider. A digital dash relays real-time telemetry. The gas tank arches beneath you like a muscular spine, and every button, grip, and switch is designed for complete control. The supercharger whines at idle, the exhaust crackles under stress, and every movement is precise. It's not built for comfort, it's built to win. On the track, the H2R becomes something else entirely. It doesn't just go fast, it obliterates the concept of speed. Corners are devoured, straights become blurs, and other bikes turn into dots in the mirror. The drone footage pulls back to show the H2R slicing through apex, its exhaust glowing, its tires gripping like claws. There are fast bikes, and then there's the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This isn't racing, this is domination.